Hello, Mr. Frog. So, I have been spying on the chili cook-off class. How do you think they are doing? Some of them, they do very well, but others, they decide to goof off. They're not paying enough attention to the details. I am worried that maybe this chili cook-off become a cook mess if they not pay attention more to details. But Mr. Frog, what can we possibly do to get their attention? I don't know. It's up to them. There is no one or no person who can make them committed to making the changes they need to make to really bring this event in at the way that it needs to happen. Oh, Mr. Frog, do you think it's too late? Absolutely not. They can definitely still make this a wonderful event, but they must work, work, work. They must not have spring break fever and goof off. Way too much to do to make sure that every detail is perfect. What kind of things should they be still focusing on? It's not clear to me whether they have managed all of the parking details and logistics. I am told that they still do not have a detailed schedule of all of the supplies that they are going to need. There is much concern that they have not started to prepare their signs or a schematic for their signs. Also, right now, I don't know if they've reached out to do any marketing at all to the folks at the Bridge House for the Bridge House mailing list. Do you think that's possible? That maybe they have not done that yet? I don't know. They have one more week right now before spring break to figure it all out. Let's hope they do it. Maybe we should give them a cheer to encourage them. Okay, here, you pick up my croaky stick. Oh, where is my croaky stick? Oh, wait a minute. I see it. Can you go get it? Sure, just a minute. Okay. Hold on, I hold it in my teeth. Okay, I got your croaky stick. Let's do the croaky cheer. Go, 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 go. Yay, event marketing. Okay, back to work, all of you, right now.